Money tips and tricks to make you richer, unlocking the power of mutual funds. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom and wealth? Look no further. In this article, we'll share expert money tips and tricks to help you grow your wealth, using mutual funds as a powerful example. Tip 1. Start early, start small. The power of compounding is a magical force that can turn small, consistent investments into a fortune over time. Consider this example. Invest 5,000 rupee per month in a mutual fund with a 12% annual return. After 20 years, your total investment would be 12 lakhs rupees, but your wealth would grow to approximately 50 lakhs rupees. Tip 2. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies to minimize risk and maximize returns. For instance, allocate 60% of your portfolio to equity mutual funds for long-term growth. Invest 20% in debt mutual funds for stable income. Put 10% in international mutual funds for global diversification. Keep 10% in liquid funds for emergency needs. Tip 3. Be disciplined and patient. Wealth creation is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed to your investment plan and avoid emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Consider this. Invest 10,000 rupee per month in a mutual fund with a 15% annual return. After 25 years, your total investment would be 30 lakhs rupees, but your wealth would grow to approximately 2.5 crores rupees. Tip 4. Take advantage of tax benefits. Utilize tax-advantaged investment options like ELSAs, equity-linked savings scheme, mutual funds to reduce your tax liability and boost your wealth. For example, invest ₹50 lakhs per year in an ELSS mutual fund. Save up to 46,350 rupees in taxes per year, assuming 30% tax bracket. Grow your wealth over the long term while reducing your tax burden. Tip 5. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to optimize returns and minimize risk. Conclusion. By incorporating these money tips and tricks into your financial strategy, you'll be well on your way to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Remember to stay disciplined, patient, and informed to unlock the full potential of mutual funds and other investment opportunities.